Welcome to Warwrite, where we're alright. Today we are going to be covering the special kind of furnace step in the Big Chad Guys Plus modpack 1.1.10. This step requires us to create an alloy furnace. We must first create the Alloy Forge controller. This controller comes in 3 tiers, each with multiple recipes. Tier 1 can be created using deep slate bricks, regular bricks, or stone bricks. Tier 2 can be made using either polished blackstone or prismarine blocks. And Tier 3 can be made with endstone bricks or adamantite. And for the purposes of this video, I'll be showing you how to make an alloy furnace using adamantite, as I'm yet to reach the end. Those darn pesky ender eyes. For which Alloy Forge controller you choose to make, you must use the same blocks to create the structure, requiring 1 controller and 16 or whatever block a controller is made of. Place the first layer of the structure in a 3x3 grid on the ground. Then, place the controller in the middle edge block, facing the direction you want the furnace to look. Then, place your remaining blocks on the other middle edge pieces, stacking 2 high, and place the last block on top of the controller. If you've done everything right, this menu will appear when you right-click the controller. If you've made it wrong, the game will inform you of that by telling you have an invalid multi-block configuration. By going up to the ingot in the top right-hand corner of the Forge menu, we can see the recipes that can be used in the Alloy Forge, and what tier forge is required. In addition, using a Tier 1 recipe in a higher tier forge also acquires other benefits. An example of this is shown using iron ore. By placing 2 iron ore in a Tier 1 forge, it gives us a 2:3 ratio on the ingot output. Placing the same recipe in a Tier 2 forge gives us a 2:4 ratio on the ingots. Finally, by placing the same recipe into a Tier 3 forge, it halves the recipe time. The forge can be given fuel with coal, lava buckets, or even morkite, but you might like to save some morkite for your mithril drill later on. Besides smelting, you can also use the alloy furnace to create, as the name suggests, alloys. As an example, we can make a steel ingot by placing 1 manganese ore and 1 iron ore into the furnace. These also gain benefits from using higher tier smelters. With that, explore the recipes and you have all the required information you need going forward. Good luck out there. If you liked this video, consider subscribing, liking, or just let me know down in the comments. Any engagement is helpful and I appreciate it. See you all in the next one.